Take it out, you know. If you're from the Bible Belt, do not go near my comedy CD, okay? Just then you want to have a look and see the songs that are on the CDs. Come and take this. And when you buy them tonight, you get the Donald one free. Donald's on there. I want to see. I'd love to see Donald taking that for his inauguration song. What do you think, guys? Yeah. Vote for Donald, guys. Vote for Donald. A vote for common sense. Get out there in November. Vote for Donald. Vote early. Vote often. Oh yeah. And don't forget, guys. In about 6 months' time, this madman, could have his finger on the nuclear button. So the world could end at any time. So if you've any loose change, throw it in here before you go, because you don't need it anyway. And there'll be no long hair layabouts in America. Donald will get rid of all you guys. Yeah, there'll be no hippies left. How you doing, sir? Dressed like a leprechaun there. Thank you very much. Where are you from? Which state are you from? Australia. Sorry, sir. Sorry, didn't mean to insult you there. Actually, that's the big difference. I'm finding out the difference now between the 3 countries: America, Canada, Australia. I've been to all 3 now. And the thing is, there's a little difference. For example, if you piss off the Americans, they will come and they will bomb the shit out of you. But if you piss off the Canadians, they'll send you a very, very strongly worded letter and apologise 2 weeks later. But if you piss off the Australians, can't be done. I've been trying for years. You just possible. So I was in Australia last year. I phoned the embassy. I said, can I get a visa for Australia? And the girl said, well, it depends. Have you got a criminal record? I said, oh, for Christ's sake, you still need one. One line just for you guys. Mum and Dad and Denny saw the passing out parade at Buckapunyal. It was a long march. Come back when we're quieter, we'll sing that one for you. But tonight I want my American friends to be singing and dancing here. Oh no, yeah, let's get Donald out. We'll do a couple of verses of Donald and then we'll do the Wild Rover. Thank you very much, sir. I'm a multi-billionaire, I don't need the money, but thank you.